In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google form into a PDF. Whether you want to keep a physical record of your form, share it with others who might not have access to Google Forms, or just save it for offline use, turning your form into a PDF is a simple and effective solution. We'll walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to follow along. First, you'll need to open the Google form that you want to convert. Head to your Google Drive and locate the form in question. If for some reason you have it shared with you but not in your drive, you can also access it directly from the shared link or folder. Once you've opened the form, you'll see the questions and options you've set up. This screen allows us to view and make adjustments if necessary before converting to PDF, so take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks exactly the way you want. Now that you have your form open and ready, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu of additional options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Print option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive when we're looking to create a PDF, but trust me, it's the right step. After clicking Print, a new window will appear showing a preview of your Google form as it will appear in print format. This is your chance to see if everything fits well on the page and to make any last-minute adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, it's time to adjust our print settings. Find the Destination section in this print preview window. You might see a printer selected here, but what you want to select is Save as PDF. This essentially tells your computer that instead of sending this document to a physical printer, we want to save it as a digital PDF file instead. Finally, hit the Save button. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Pick a folder where you can easily find it later, and give it a descriptive name so you remember what it contains. Click Save again, and your PDF will be created. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google form into a PDF file. Now you can share it, print it, or keep it for your records. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. Have a great day.